Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be cooking some Alfredo pasta, and guys, it's not just the regular pasta that you know, okay? Because this is all gonna be plant-based, and you know what I mean, the healthy way, right? So we can call this some CELERIAC Alfredo pasta. And guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button while we cook this delicious meal. So this is a celery root, and I'm just going to cut off the part that I don't need, which is the leaf, and then just keep the stem. Guys, I just love the smell of this. But yeah, in case you don't know, celeriac root is rich in nutrients. It's a low-fat vegetable, cholesterol free. It helps improve digestion, bone, and heart health, and as well as possible anti-cancer effects. So guys. So it's a good thing, a good vegetable to try out, and has good source of vitamin K and vitamin C. So next is to prepare my broccoli. I'm just going to wash it and cut it into small florets, and as you can see. So from this, I'm just going to go ahead and prepare the other stuff before I start the cooking process. So just stay tuned. So guys, I'm using whole wheat pan pasta for this, and I'm gonna be using 2 boxes. So now I'm just going by the box instruction to cook this, and I'm just going to add salt and let it cook. So guys, for the remaining cooking time, I'm just going to add my broccoli and let it all cook together.